How
Did
Humans.
evolve?
with
Bipedalism.
Charlie.
Ma
Ahan.
Thomas.
Arham.
Farhan.
First up is Ahan. So how is bipedalism advantageous?
It allowed them to free their arms so they can make tools, stretch for fruit, and make social displays. Also, because they were exposed to less sunlight, they could spend more time foraging for food, and it was more energy efficient.
Next up, we have what are the negatives of bipedalism with Charlie Ma?
So it requires upright posture, which increases pressure on various different body parts, and this can cause health problems, like things like back, hip, and knee pain.
Thank you.
Now with Arham, can other species become bipedal?
There's possibilities of many species becoming bipedal, such as cats, who may see benefit to becoming bipedal in the future, so we might see this trait in later generations. And there already are some species which are partly bipedal, like bears, which use two legs to do some certain tasks like reaching in trees and stuff. So we might see bipedal traits becoming more common in the future.
So now back with Ahan. How did bipedalism begin?
Millions of years ago, Earth's climate was cooling globally, and African rainforests were being replaced by savanna, so early hominids had become more adept at walking on land. When they walked on land into the savanna, they were rewarded with roots, shrubs, and animal carcasses, which made it easier for them to survive and reproduce, and pass on bipedalism.
Thank you.
We have Charlie Ma again. So when did we evolve this trait?
Australopithecus, an early ancestor of Homo sapiens, developed this trait around 6 to 7 million years ago.
Thank you. On Ash stop.
Next up with Awaham, what other animals have bipedalism?
There are many other animals that have bipedalism, including mammals like kangaroos, lizards, birds, and even some cockroaches. In the past, in the Jurassic period, many dinosaurs had the ability to walk bipedally.
Overall, humans evolved bipedalism because it was advantageous to their cooling global environment.
Allow them to make tools, become stretch for resources, and overall become more efficient.
Bipedalism. This is an example of bipedalism. This is another example of bipedalism. Thank you.
Oh my god!